The next speaker is Mrs. Anderson.
Thank you. Last week marked another historic moment in the Irish peace process. The visit of the President of Ireland, Michael D, to Britain marked a significant change in the relations between Britain and Ireland and highlighted the need for further and deeper reconciliation. This progressive step has been welcomed by all those, like myself, who champion this peace process. The EU has played its part in making this come about, with peace funding and constant support for those emerging from this conflict, and long may it continue. The significance of this event should not be underestimated, nor should the repeated calls for those involved to continue the reconciliation process. And to that end, I want to state that I am very committed to building reconciliation among all our people and to creating an agreed Ireland. Go míle maith. Thank you.
A teraz głos zabierze pan poseł Binev.
Благодаря ви, господин председателю. Европейският парламент е единственият пряко избран орган на европейските институции и най-демократичният. За съжаление, в България новият избирателен кодекс е всичко друго, но не и такъв. Според Лисабонския договор